Hello everyone. Today I will show how to add a digital signature for PDF document without MS Word. Open a new tab and type digital signature online and search. I will go to the second search result. You can get the website link below the description. Now choose or drag and drop PDF file. Then click on the Your Signature button. Now you can select a color and draw your signature. Then click on a Create button. Now your signature will appear. Click on the signature. Then resize and align. Click on the Finish. Click on Save. And thereafter click Save to device. Then PDF file will download with your digital signature. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.